How to buy a refund your soul token. So this token came under the symbol of RYS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap, it's $1.1 million. So this token trending number one in the Solana section on the screen right now. So to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds point for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token here, and now you can click here and paste token as in the search bar. Now this also can click on it, and now you can click on I understand. So here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, scroll down and you will be able to see here, so click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy RYS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.